First five on Cool Warriors. First five on UP. The Robocop of Mako Burning MVP. Forest Titores. And John Mendel.
Boss, pasok na, there's 5.
And then
Boss. Pasok.
first five on Cool Warriors. Tador Aparador. Number 0 is Sia the Mighty Mouse. Richard Lungsod. And Pasag. Ball game. Battle of the East. UE against UP. First position on the Robocop. Robocop side stop. Yes, on the Robocop. 2-0. 2-point lead on UP. Richard. Lungsod. Intercepted by the Robocop. Before Torres. Pass to reigning MVP of Mako. Pininat. Tador Aparador. To Pasag. 1-1. Deportes. Pass to Aparador. Tador. Yes, Aparador. 2-all. Upper stand of the game. UP against UE. St. Martin Deportes. In and out. Rebound by the Captain Mendel. The cupping. 1, 2, 3. Pass. Intercepted by jump ball, UE ball, UE. Our score 2-all. 8 minutes 42 seconds. Our first set of the game. Richard. Pasag. Pasag now. Pass to Richard. And to shoot! Pass to the Mighty Mouse, Isia. Mighty Mouse drive. Mas by! Still by Marigoran. It's 3-1. Marigoran. St. Martin Deportes, the reigning MVP. Mako. 14-2. 4-2. 2-point lead on UP. Mighty Mouse to Richard. Fake. Drive. Looking for Mighty Mouse fake. Pass to Tador Aparador. Steal by reigning MVP.
Tayo, depensa! Baba!
St. Martin now. Pass to Captain Mendel. Captain drive. To short. Same ball. White ball. 14 to shoot.
Shot clock!
14 seconds to shoot. St. Martin Deportes. Pass to reigning MVP fake. Galing by Lungsod. Black by Lungsod. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Kapat!
St. Martin Deportes to Robocop. Intercepted by Pasag. Still by Lungsod. Lungsod to Richard. On alone. Shot! Yes, on Richard. 4-all. Second deadlock of the game. 7 minutes. UP against UE. St. Martin. Run. Pass to winning MVP. Side step. Euro step. Bang! Basket down and one on the winning MVP. Mako. Who's fouled up? Foul on number 1. And number 6, now foul on number 6. On Lungsod.
Pagkalabot siya, bahala.
First on Lungsod. Wow! Last touch on the Robocop. Nice defense on Aparador.
Warning for discussion the Cola.
Warning on the Robocop. We'll continue still playing. Our score 4-6, 6-2 point lead on UP. Pasag. Lungsod. 6-all.
Walang lalayo!
St. Martin de Porres, St. Martin to the coast. Foul again on number 6 on Lungsod. Second personal foul on Lungsod. Second team foul on UP Cool Warriors.
Foul talaga yun.
Shots.
Gawayan mo lang yan. Boss. Gawayan mo, tapos mo, gagamitin mo yung utang.
Oo, 5 minutes.
Utang mo lang yan.
7-6.
Boss, boss!
1 point lead now on UP. Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse now. Stop. Out. In and out. Out. Rebound ng Marigiran. Now Marigiran. Sigsag. Taas to Captain Marvel. Umago training MVP. Umago. 9-6. 3 point lead now. UP. Pasag. Kati by Marigiran. Pasag, stop, pasag. Looking for Richard, stop. Mighty Mouse, Lungsod. 10 to shoot. Black by the Robocop. Di Torres, St. Martin Di Torres. Nice move. St. Martin drive, pass to running MVP. Umago. Looking for St. Martin, nice pass, Robocop. Reading MVP, di ba may pasag? Pasag now. It's 4-2. Pasag. Pasag bright. Pasag mo. Pasag pang doon. Pasag. Strong Captain Midel. To Robocop. Sigsag. Set. Now. St. Martin de Porres. Steal by Richard. 4 minutes 33 seconds. 9-6. 3-point lead on UP. St. Martin de Porres. Back to Captain Midel. Too strong. Rebound by Aparador. To the Mighty Mouse. Shoots. Captain Midel. Now. Time out on UE. UP against UE.
Kaya pa.
Bounding the door, Aparador. Pass to the Mighty Mouse. Richard. Back to Mighty Mouse. Big. 12 to shoot. Nice move. To Pasag. Pow! Foul on number 17, Marigoran. First on UP, first on Marigoran.
Push pa lang. Palitan mo na, pawala kasi.
Our score 9-6, 3-point lead on UP. Nine-7.
Gana yung mapangyari ang kakin ko.
Isisay sa putangin na, kondisyon ko rin.
Ay! Lumabas na lang!
St. Martin de Porres.
Galaw! Bigay mo rin niya na.
Winning MVP. St. Martin. Marigoran. Air ball. Ipan by Pasag. It's 4-2. Pasag now. Pasag goes to goals. Pasag. Rebound on Marigoran to St. Martin de Porres. 3 minutes. Winning MVP. Umago hook shot. Yes on Umago. 11-7. Back to 4-point lead on UP. Richard. Too strong. Rebound by Captain Midel. Captain now. The captain. Back to St. Martin de Porres. Back to the captain. Captain Midel. 13-7. 6-point lead now on UP. Aparador. Carried by St. Martin de Porres. Fake. To right. Stop up. To Richard. By the Mighty Mouse. Stop. Mighty Mouse, side step. Short, rebound on Mariguran. To set Martin Del Porres.
Huli.
Sila, boss!
Captain Del, fake, stop, open jump. Wow! The Captain Del, 15-7, 8-point lead by UP. 2 minutes.
Relax lang, relax.
8-point lead on UP. Lungsod, drive, lungsod, blocked by the Robocop rebound. Mariguran, it's 3-1, Mariguran. Pass to winning MVP, guarded by Richard. And boom, Mariguran, Umako, BS on winning MVP. 17-7, 7-point lead on UP. Lungsod, stop up, fake. Lungsod, blocked by Robocop. Lungsod again. Lungsod, 14 to shoots. 10 to shoots. Mighty Mouse. Rebound by Robocop. Torres at Martin Torres. Stop up. Torres guarded by the Mighty Mouse. Nice move, nice fake. Turn around. Shot. Rebound by Aparador. 1 minute. Aparador. Lungsod. Open shot. Yes, on Lungsod. Delaying the game on number 6. Warning on number 6 for delaying the game.
Dapat na pogi mo!
Wala!
Captain Midel, shot. Rebound by Lungsod. Lungsod down. Lungsod to Richard. Fake. Richard drive. Yan out. Rebound on Robocop. Robocop to Deporres. Deporres at Martin Deporres. As the reigning MVP. Oh, Mako. 25 seconds. Oh, steal. Mariguran now. Stop. Nice defense. Pass to reigning Deporres at Martin. Upper up. Rebound on Robocop. In and out again. Rebound on Mighty Mouse. 10 seconds. Mighty Mouse. 6 out. Mighty Mouse. Nice move. The Mighty Mouse. 5 seconds. And up for first quarter. Now Wonder Boy the ball game. Wonder Boy.
Challenge!
Carusale. Too strong. Ow! Rebound on the red shirts.
Okay.
Nice step. Rebound on the Wonder Boy. Luis Santos. Stop, pop. Bang! On!
Time out. Dapat pili kami, di ba? Siyam lang kasi. Wala pili.
Wala bang pilihan?
Taas lang pilihan. Siyam lang sila. Third quarter tayo plaster.
O, relax lang ha.
Okay lang yan.
Kalma lang.
Score! 22-11. Punsalan. Back to Punsalan. Nice pass! Wow! Yun out. Rebound on. The Wonder Boy to Luis Santos. Luis Santos again. Back to the Wonder Boy. To Carusale. 10 to shoot. Winning MVP. Yes, on Umako. 24-11, 13-point lead now against UP. Punsalan. To Ray, stop, pump. In and out. Rebound on Di Los Santos. Too strong. Rebound on Ray to Cementero. Mostro. Stop, side. In and out. Mostro. Ray, stop, drive, short! Yeah! Number 11, 13 to 24! Nice pass, nice shot by Amarillo.
Oo, sabi ko nga, kala ko daw sila.
24 to 13, 11-point lead against UP, Wonder Boy. 27 to 13, 14 point lead against UP. 8 minutes. Punsalan. Drive pass, foul. Foul on Carusale. First on Carusale, first team foul on UP.
Sana? Ay, hindi nag-carry over. Hindi nag-carry over.
Ha? Hindi ko kami nakatimot ni first.
Hindi nag-carry over eh.
Ha?
Pagka,
Duhano?
ka first quarter, second quarter lang, last game.
Box tayo, box! Uy! Bato! Bato! Ilang, ilang!
De Los Santos, still Magdaleno. Wonder Boy. UE ball, UE, 7 minutes.
Mula!
Bay. Guarded by Wonder Boy. Back to Bay, Bay. Punsalan. Air ball. Ah! Soriano! What a move coming from Soriano. Short, di ba na Amarillo? Amarillo. Punsalan, pag to Amarillo. Yes! 17 to 27, back to 10-point lead on UP. Umagod. Foul. Foul on number 11, Amarillo. First on Amarillo, first team foul against UE. Escalante. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Escalante! 13-point lead back to UP. Bay. Oh, intercepted. Foul. Foul on number 11, Almarillo. Second Almarillo. Second team foul on UE. Ah, Punsalan. Yes, on Bay. 21 to 33, 12-point lead on UP. Proper evaluation timeout on UP.
Pas break ka lang.
Our score 33 to 21. UP. Punsalan. To Bay, Bay.
Open!
Too strong. Rebound by Punsalan. Bay. Bay, Sisal, nice move. Punsalan. 10 to shoot, 10 to shoot.
Open!
Foul. Foul on 0, De Los Santos. First on De Los Santos. Second team foul on UP. 22 to 33, 11-point lead now against UP. Umagod. Bang! 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 On Escalante! Now Escalante have 3 points. First, 3 of 3 points. Oh! Runner MVP! De Los Santos. Stop, pump. In and out. Rebound ng Punsalan. Tapang Punsalan. Soriano. Soriano to Amarillo. Amarillo. Amarillo drive. Amarillo stop, pump. Short. De Los Santos rebound. De Los Santos. To Escalante again. In and out. Rebound Almarillo. Foul. Foul on 0, De Los Santos. Second on De Los Santos. 13 foul on UP. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. 2 minutes, 15. Unsalan. Cardinal Escalante. 10 to shoot. Yun natin again. Umagod. Foul! Basket count and 1 by Bay. Foul on 0. 1, number 1, no reigning MVP, Umagod. Warning for penalty on UP. 36 to 24, still 12-point lead on UP. 25 to 36, 11-point lead now on UP. Umagod. To the Wonder Boy, De Los Santos. De Los Santos enters. Oh, nice defense of Bay. 1 minute 35 seconds. 36 to 25. Bay. Bay drive. Oh, nice defense by Wonderboy. Bay again. Yes on Bay. 27-36. 9-point lead on UP.
Okay lang eh, yung depensa lang ninyong butas eh.
Wonderboy.
Tira yan, coach!
Bay again. Yes on Bay. 29 to 36. 50 seconds.
Nice!
Bay. Stop up. Rebound on Magod. To Escalante.
Wala yan!
Rebound on Punsalan. Punsalan to Filipino. 25 seconds. Down. Still by De Los Santos.
Wala! Yes! Nice!
10 seconds.
Pasok! Mahaba pa yan!
Bawi ka ngayon!
Wow! Basket count and 1 on Punsalan. 31 to 36. 5-point lead now against UP. 4 seconds.
Yung pogi point.
Penalty there. What? 36-31. 4 seconds.
Ayaw ko pa na.
32 to 36. 4 seconds. And on the second quarter score, 36 to 32. Third quarter ready, third quarter. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Labang na tayo.
Our score 36 to 32.
Sender, pass sila, 37 sila.
Oh, now 1 point lead by UE, 37 to 36.
Tas 5 sila, siyam na kayo.
Tayo, box out!
37-36, 1 point lead now by the Warriors. Black by Bay.
Bigyan mo ka na.
Bay.
Pasap, pwesto ka.
Banat!
Mighty Mouse, skate, stop, back to Bay, Bay. To Pasal, up and down. Short. Ibaran na Luzon foul. Foul on number 2 on Robocop. First on RoboCop, first team foul on UP. Bay. Mighty Mouse. Bang! 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 On the Mighty Mouse. 40-36. Team short will be the UE.
Walang kamay.
Blank! Bay! Pandora Parador. To Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse! Yes, my Mighty Mouse! 42-36 now. 6-point lead on UE. Los Santos. In and out. Rebound on the Bay. Bay. Bay now. Parador. Easy Bay. Parador. Pasag. Air ball. Rebound on the RoboCop. To high steal by the Mighty Mouse. RoboCop, stop up. Foul. Foul on number 27, Dador Aparador. First on Aparador. First on you. 42-36.
Tuloy-tuloy ko lang takbo.
Kulang. Laban!
Ibanon de Los Santos. De Los Santos now.
Oy, grabe!
Pass to RoboCop. Rebound. Save ball. Red ball.
Sir, sabi mo ba?
7 minutes 46 seconds.
Kalma lang.
Kalma tayo. Sure lang tayo, sure.
Bay. Lungsod. Santos to Ripores, St. Martin. Stop up. Too strong. Rebound on RoboCop. Block. Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse to Pasag. Yes, on Pasag. 40-36. 8-point lead now on UE.
Nasa kaliwa!
Wala!
Foul. Foul on Lungsod. Second team foul on UP. Third personal foul against Lungsod. 44-36. 8-point lead on UE.
Han, kalma lang!
$37.44, 7-point lead now by UE, 6 minutes 30 seconds.
5 minutes.
Bay. Short. Rebound on the RoboCop. St. Martin. Ripores. Right, boom. Yeah! St. Martin Ripores game! 39-44, 5-point lead now UE.
1 minute pa, 1 minute.
Bay. Wow, Bay. 46-39, 7-point lead back to UE, 6 minutes.
Skip!
Nice pass. Whoa, RoboCop. 5 minutes 40 seconds. Bay. Air ball. Rebound by Bay.
Easy oras.
Back to Mighty Mouse. 10 to shoot. In and out. Rebound by Milulan. Los Santos. Escalante. Foul. Santito Soterem. Stop rep.
Jay.
Foul on Pasag. Second team foul on UE. First on Pasag. Stop rep.
Pasag.
Sige.
Daring tayo, boss.
Kaya nga dyan.
Sabi.
42-46, 5 minutes. Bay, time to shoot. Punsalan. Wow! Alam mo ba, Punsalan? Great move, Punsalan. 48-42. Pasang. Yes! On! Pasang! Back to 8-point lead on UE, 50-42, 4 minutes. Umakot. 10 to shoot. Umakot. Back to 6-point lead on UE, 50-44, 3 minutes 40 seconds, fourth quarter, third quarter. Bay. Torres. Foul. Sabrep, foul number 27. On the door, Aparador. 13 foul on UE. Second on Aparador, the door. Umahod. Torres. Yes, on Torres. 50-46.
Dalawa kayo dyan, oh!
Tenor. 3 minutes. 10 to shoot. Bay. 5 to shoot. Steve. Bay. It's gone. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez. To the Torres. Foul.
Hawak damit! Hawak damit! Oh, sige titingin ako.
And sportsmanlike foul on Punsalan.
Tama. Hawak ka, jersey! Ano ba tawag?
And sportsmanlike foul on Punsalan. Two free throw shot on the Torres.
Dapat may katwiran, ipaglabang. Bago!
47-50. 48-50. 2-point lead na UE. Umangot.
Bigay, gilid! Bigay! Tatay Bigong!
B. Let's move. Let's go. Red ball. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Pass out. Fake. Pupusalan.
Shot! Sabi niya.
Substitution ref, sub.
Sag.
Di Torres. Gonzalez. Rebound on Soriano. Foul. Foul on 29 on Rosales. Time out on UP. 13 foul on UP. One minute, 9 seconds. Buka to Rosales. Rosales, attack, Rosales, foul! Basket count on 1 on Rosales, 20 all. Foul on number 27 on Dador Parador. Warning for penalty on UE. Now score, 50 all. Third personal foul on Parador, Dador.
Pasok. Penalty sila nun, ha?
50 seconds. Mighty Mouse.
Number 2, pushing.
Foul on Robocop. Warning for penalty on UP. Second on Robocop.
Baba.
30 seconds.
Baba. 30 seconds.
Still on. Aparador, Dador. 10 seconds.
No foul, ha? No foul.
5. Yui ball, Yui.
Alvin yata yan, Alvin. Game guy.
Level 4 yan.
Shot!
Mabawi, depensa.
Binabawi ka, Depensa. Gusto na yung pag-ina, makaitas pa.
Gusto rin yata
52 to 50, 9 minutes 39 seconds.
viral na maming support. Nagkaroon isang galing.
Ganun palit na tayo nag-choose sa'yo.
Silang, set lang kayo, set! Okay, pwede mo ulit eh.
Diskarte, Matt! Kamay niya.
Set, kapaw yan.
9 minutes.
Kaya mo yan, set! Labas kayo dyan, labas!
Iwan na, naiwan.
Eh, baba! Tingin, tingin! Bila!
Oh.
Okay! Hawak lang!
Yan, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wala ko siya 10!
Shot! Ito yan, Dennis!
All on 0. De Los Santos.
Pantay mo yung...
Talaga De Los Santos, first team foul on UP.
Bantay mo yung alapas break nila. Tanggalin mo yung sapatos.
Yes! Sapa!
lumabas.
Shoot!
Galingan mo, isa pa!
Lahat kaya lahat.
Nice.
54 to 50, 8 minutes.
Wala!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the forest! 54 to 53, 1 point in IUE.
Sabay ka! Shot!
Baba! Baba!
Ilagay na.
Bravo!
Traveling violation, traveling violation. Only 1 point in IUE, 54 to 53, 7 minutes, 20 seconds.
Kaya mo! Kaya mo yan!
Traveling violation, traveling violation.
Paano rin?
De Los Santos. 40 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On De Los Santos! Now 2 point lead on UP, 56 to 44. Bay! Substitution rep, sub rep.
Edge! Jack!
Sub rep, sub.
Dalawa lang yan ha!
6 minutes, 20 seconds. Umagot. Foul on Kutsalan. First on UE. Second personal foul on Kutsalan. Umagot. Gutierrez. 10 to shoot. 5.
Go din! Ano mo?
Yes! On Pasag! 56 all! Foul. Sabrep. Foul on Pasag. Second team foul on UE. Second on Pasag.
Simas.
Wala! Shot! Rebound!
Almarillo. Foul. Foul on Escalante. Second team foul on UP. Second on Escalante.
Okay, same ball.
Wala yan. Mat, wala yan.
4 minutes 50 seconds. 18 to shoot.
Wala pa.
Both teams have 2 fouls. Sige.
Yeah, kaya mo yan!
10 to shoot.
Shot!
Pasok mo naman!
Wala! Pam! Rebound!
Bigay! 3, 4, 5, 6!
Kaya mo yan!
Foul. Foul on number 1 on Wakot. 13 foul on UP. 4 minutes 20 seconds. Second on Wakot.
Ang galing ni Han!
Our score 56 all.
Ilan time out namin? Sabot tayo isa, sayang.
56 to 57, 1 point lead na by UE.
Bigay, free!
Steal, foul.
Parang lang nangyari kanina.
Foul on 0, De Los Santos. Warning for penalty on UP. Foul on De Los Santos. Warning.
Warning tayo, warning.
Mighty Mouse.
Open!
Pasad. 10 to shoot. Foul on number 2 on Robocop. Penalty. Substitution and sub. Time out on UP. Third personal foul on Robocop. Warning for penalty on UP. Back to the ball game.
Penalty, Dusot.
Para makaano tayo.
Huwag ka lang magigigil. Waiting ka lang, waiting. Ay!
Idol ko talaga yan ang pogi.
Bay!
Practice yun ang isang buong taon eh. Sa free throw.
Nice one! Babalang! Ilang, depensa tayo, depensa!
Check.
Foul.
Wala lang pa.
Foul on Pasag. 13 foul on UE. Third on Pasag.
Box one! Bigay tayo, bigay! Bigay! Pagkaiwan, habol ng isa!
Open! Walang tira ng tres! Tira ng tres yan! Ayun o!
10 to shoot.
Ay! Dalawa!
Yes, on Pasag. 3 minutes.
Walang foul!
Pasag, time out. On UP. 2 minutes 51 seconds.
Anong depensa lang ulit?
Foul.
Challenge sa
Torres. Miguel. 1 to the forest. Oh! Out. 2 minutes 34 seconds. 14 resets central. 14 second resets.
Walang open sa tres!
10 to shoot.
Wala na, 4 shot. Ito na. Hapon!
Take time!
Foul. Penalty.
Patuloy lang.
Ni Idol.
Hindi, nasa atin na. Dire-diretso. Pag nag-error sa ka.
Tuloy lang, tuloy.
2 minutes 8 seconds.
Take time! Walang gigil, wala!
Shoot, Idol.
Nice one!
Nice. Alam niyo dito. Ilan yung score?
Pero walang tira sa tres!
Ay, sorry po.
Walang tira sa tres! Nice one!
Nice, Idol.
Pressure tayo, pressure! Walang tira sa tres!
Ayun o, may open doon.
Offensive.
Oh, blocking foul on the break. Warning for penalty on UE. 1 minute 50 seconds.
Di pa.
Wala.
Atin na yan.
Ay, hawak mo. Diretso. Shoot. Ay.
1 minute 38 seconds.
Gila, depensa lang!
64 against 56.
Warning yun!
Foul on number
Ilang ba tayo?
On lungsod. Warning on lungsod. Penalty. Basket shot, Tenet. Basket shot.
Silang lamang tayo.
1 minute 31 seconds.
30 seconds.
Kasi disqualify ko na rin, sinintong eh. Number 2. Kitang-kita yun, sir. Wag mong ka. Sir, lalo-lalo na kayo. Wag mong suntukin yung bata. Hindi ko ba sinuntok ko? Sir, gano'n mo, sir. Sir, no?
Ang sportsman ay foul on number 2 ang beses.
Check mo yung camera. Tinula ko lang. Hindi ko sinuntok. Sige na, sir. May tawag na tayo. May pero huwag mo sasabihin natin.
2 shots on.
Nga sir, 2 shots tayo.
Sir, pasok tayo.
Sir, kasi...
2 shots.
Ano mo, Mas? Dalawa lang. Hello. Hindi, kalma ka lang, Jay.
Sige na rin, sige na rin.
Sige lang, kalma lang.
Dapat sinuntok ko na.
Wala pa sa lapa.
Okay lang yan, Insan! Kahit isa lang!
Hindi, pahinga ka muna. 5 minutes.
Nice one.
1 minute 30 seconds. 1 minute 30 seconds. Sabi na sab.
Ayaw pala sila ng kanina pa.
Ilang labas kayo dyan, labas kayo, labas. 1-1 yan. Labas kayo dyan, labas.
Lamang tayo, easy!
Sige lang.
Meron na lang yan! Okay!
Foul middle. Foul middle.
Nice one. Dalawa.
Idol, shoot!
1 minute 23 seconds.
Ding dong, shoot mo yan! Kuya! Tapa, ding dong! Shoot.
Okay, ulit. Okay, King.
Oras!
40 to shoot. 40 to shoot.
Oras!
Ay, sakit pa.
5 to shoot.
Shot!
Sean! Tres! Sapa! Shot! Awak lang!
1 minute.
Relax!
10 to shoot.
8, 7.
Tres! Shot!
Nice one.
Ulit, sa atin ulit.
Okay! Woo! Hawak lang!
45 seconds.
Woo!
Hawak na lang.
10 to shoot.
Bang, ulit.
Sapa! Rebound nyo ha!
40 seconds. 5 to shoot.
Yan!
Nice shot.
Okay! Woo! Ayun na kami!
34 seconds. 34 seconds.
Akala mo ba ako eh. Kaya ang ganda ng ganda. Ang ganda ng ano. Nasira ako.
Ulo mo! 34 Yes, good!
Baba na. Dito na magpahinga.
Kaya mo na dito. Kaya.
Jay, baba ka na, Jay!
Wala na tayong foul, ha? Wala na tayong foul. Iwas lang sa tres.
34 seconds.
Wala na tayong foul, ha?
Shoot!
Oo. Okay, sa atin.
Baba.
Sige lang. Bawala.
Taas lang kamay. Okay na yan. Oras.
Wala na foul.
Taas lang. Taas. Challenge.
Bang! 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 On! Kalmasari!
Hawak pa.
Okay!
18 seconds. 18.
Yan, pwede ka mag-time out doon.
Coach, pwede ka mag-time out. Para ma-delay sila.
Time out! Relax lang! Oo! Easy! Easy!
Ball game tayo. 14 seconds. 14.
Dito tayo.
Kalma!
Sir, relax na. Patapos na tayo, patapos na. Del.
14 seconds. 14.
Technical time mo dyan sa kanila.
Ball technical foul on middle and
Kaya mo na.
Isia.
seconds na lang.
14 seconds.
Musoras!
10 seconds.
Musoras!
6 seconds, 6 seconds. Penalty red.
Relax na.
Seconds na lang din.
Okay.
And on the game, our winner, UE 67 to 60.